So we have this already. And what we want to do is use, let's see. Here, let's go in here. Okay. So we need first point. Is that in cleanup? Let's see, cleanup. Geometry, okay. First point one, that might be the one we use. I don't think it uses a shader, or it's built in. Oh, it does have a shader. Okay, hold on. So let's load it in. And I think I have to, well, let's see what we gotta do. What's in here as far as first point? One circle, smooth step, true shade, huh? Oh, is that all? First terrain? Okay, so let's go to point one, circles, gem function. I think a point would be just fine. We don't really need anything other than that. So let's go back into here. Clean up, it's already set. Let's see what this one does. Okay, so we have those points. Cool. Okay, so it looks like that one and that one are in that one. 2, 1, 0, is that? Let's look here. So the time, they get the time. Okay. Alright. So in this one, let's save it as first point equalizer. Cleanup. Okay, that doesn't matter. First point 1 slash equalizer 0, 1. Now let's load up. This one, just to look at it. Okay. Where's this one? Okay. So we don't have SFML audio in here. We don't have IOStream, CMath, vector, IOStream. We don't have, oh, we have math. I don't know if we need CMath, vector, code. Okay, so let's just. Do we need CMath? Does that interfere? So we already have IOStream. We already have vector. Okay. We don't need cone IO because that was just for the. Alright, so let's go ahead and do that.
Sell to your customers anywhere with Shopify, the commerce platform designed for entrepreneurs.
Hold on. I'm getting an ad. Time to mute and pause and all that kind of stuff. Come on, computer. There we go. Sorry I can't play this music on stream because of copyright, but it's wonderful music. Thanks for tuning in. Faster, stronger. So let's just work through this and see if we can get it to work. So all we need to do in our main is instantiate and then run the function. So faster, stronger, better, pick it, better, do it faster. So we want this class, and what's that? Okay, so let's just copy this above main here. Okay, does that compile? Build solution. One up to date, what? First point one, oh. We're not trying to compile that one. There we go. Actually, it should still do the same thing. We just included a class that we don't instantiate and some include files. Okay, so it works. Bam, 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 pebbles in, bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, so we have the class in there. So in addition to what we're doing, okay, let's go here. audio processor. We're going to instantiate the class. Like that. Not going to worry about that. We're just going to start processing. Processor start, processor stop. So processor start will happen right here. And then processor stop will happen here. Our work is never over. Make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. Alright, so somewhere in here we're getting a volume. We can just print it out, right, like this, like before. We don't need the key be hit because we already have that. Let's do, okay, so render, draw arrays, then do that. So let's see if that works. Yes. Give me the mouse. Okay, so we're doing both. Now we just want to send in another. We want to send in another. Okay, hold on. Clean up. We don't need that anymore. Let's just load. Okay, and I forgot already. Open PGT Platformer 1. Okay, clean up. Nope, sorry. PGT Platformer 1.vs. Okay, open PGT Platformer 1.fs. There we go. Alright, so we have platform, planetary rings. Okay, that doesn't matter. What we want is the size. Point size equals a size. A size. Oh, so that's an actual... It's actually in here. So size is what? Hold on. Color and type, positions, position attribute, and size float. Position, hold on. This is not clear.
The best tech solutions for small businesses.
Oh my
With the
god.
power to unlock new AI.
Oh, there we go. Bum bum bum. Bum bum bum. Bum 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 bum. Position, color, size is one float. Okay. Bum 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 Okay, so what does the size start out as? 100? Oh. So if we wanted to go from 0 to 7, let's say. This is what? Get volume is a double. Get volume and normal. Okay, so get volume. So we need a float. Excuse me. So what we want to do is just change the size. So if it's 0, it's going to be 0. If it's 8, we want that to be the maximum, which is 100. So we just want to take the volume. So let's go if cvol is greater than 8. Then we just go cvol equals 8. Okay? Normalize. What did I just do? So then we take 100 and we divide by 8. 12. So we just multiply by 12.5. So the size of all three of them. So vertices 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 9, and 12. Hold on. So vertices 6 equals. So then we're just going to go cvol times equals 12.5. 6, and then we add what? No, we have to add, let's see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we add 8. So we go 8, 8. Okay, so we go 2 more. 2 more. Okay, so 14, 22. Computer. Oh my god. Stop. Stop. And it's a bright ad too. Yes, ads make me slightly grouchy. Alright. What are we doing now? Okay, so that's cool. And then that'll update the size. Interesting. So I wonder, will that work? DBO, vertices, everything's good, right? Let's see. So this might work right away. Hello? Oh, that's cool. It works. Okay, but it's a little bit, I think that'll work. I tell you what, why don't we put a delay? Let's put a delay on it. Bing. Okay, go back to Copilot. Let's go here. Okay, in my C++ OpenGL with GLFW demo, I want to track the time every frame and only do a particular task every, say, 1/10 of a second. Oh, I already think I have an idea. Yeah. Last time, interval, main loop. Okay. Current time minus last time is greater than the interval. Okay, I got you. Okay. So we need 2 doubles to do this. Okay. Let's put them right. Actually, let's put them at the top here. Where are all the other variables? Right in here. Okay, first mouse, last. Okay, so time variables. There we go. I'm not really comfortable using doubles. I am, but GL floats. For the sake of OpenGL. And we'll just cast, okay, so down here. Okay, so so processor get volume here, all this. Okay, so everything here, draw points. So then everything inside there. So now we want to go, what was the thing? Double current time equals this. So every frame we want to get the current time. And it's a double, but we're going to cast it too. So let's go, oh, it doesn't matter. Let's go right here. And then we'll cast this to a GL float so we won't get, oh wait, we already get the time. But we're setting it as a, okay, hold on. And set float, so we can actually do that first, hold on. We can just do it here. And then when we're sending this in, we can just send in current time instead of wasting our time getting another function call. There we go, so get the current time, draw the points, update the uniform. Actually, let's bring this code down there. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, and then we don't want to do any of this stuff. So then we want to go if, see, and these will both start out at 0, right? Yeah, 0, and then interval of 0.1. Okay, good. So then we go if last time minus current time, or we go if current time minus last time is greater than interval. So if it's greater than interval, then we do this stuff. So get the volume retrieved, normalize, adjust, update, putting all that in here. Okay, so then we do that once every tenth of a second. Instead of every frame. I just think it's a little bit, let's see how this works. Does that work a little better? Does it, okay. Maybe we should do, I think that works. Does it work? I mean, it's a little better. Maybe let's do a little more often. I don't know how to tell here. So we can just, now we can just manipulate it with the interval up here. Let's go 0.05, so twice as often. The 20th of a second, but yeah, so there's 20th of a second. I think that's a little bit more realistic. And, yeah, I mean, that appears to work. Okay, so let's do this also. That's a 20th of a second. So let's go with a minimum size. Let's not modify the shader. So times 12.5, and then we're also going to do C volume. Oh, that's just a multiply by. C volume equals 8. C volume is set there. Okay, so then C volume plus equals, let's just go plus 50. We'll give it a minimum 50, and then it'll go up to 150. See if that would be better. I don't know. I think that's better. Is that too big? Oh, it's only going up to, just a little bit bigger. A little bit bigger. So I think that'll work. Yeah. What we're wanting is, I don't really know. Yeah, I mean, that works. So I can just add this as an option in the Space Trader or any demo that I make. Interesting. So how can I make this now with all right. It's very interesting. All right. When was the last time I took a Benadryl? 8:30 and it's 10. Okay. All right, I think we're all right. So that is really cool. So now we got main first point, hold on, main first point 1 equalizer 0, 1. Uses SFML and creates a voice, creates a point that responds to voice, the mic volume. That's really cool. That's crazy. So now I'm just wondering, so I think that's GLFW stuff. Let's see, I can have the created window transparent. GLFW needs to use GLF window hint with transparent frame buffer hint before creating the window. Oh, set the window for a hint for a transparent frame buffer. Bum 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 bum. Then you can then draw your OpenGL content onto this transparent window. For OpenGL content to also have a transparent background, you need to enable blending and set the blend function appropriately. Oh, well, I think we already. Yeah. So let's try it in here, because this doesn't use the system class. Window hint. Okay, so we just do another window hint right in here. Set the window hint for a transparent buffer. See what that does. It doesn't, okay. So then we also need what? Transparent frame buffer. Enable blending. For the OpenGL content to also have a transparent background, you need to enable blending and set the blend function appropriately. Here's how you can do it. You should call these two lines of code after making the window's context current and before your rendering code. Okay. Before rendering, and then let's just go like right down here. I don't think that'll do it though. Did that do it? No, I can't see behind the window. So it's not transparent. Let's see. Transparent window. Okay. Windows.h. Oh, okay. Create the window. Make a window layered. Transparent window overlapped. Oh. Oh, okay. So that's actually really simple. Okay, so, I don't know. I don't, that's wait, what? You can use the Windows API with GLFW to create a transparent window that provides the native access to the window handle, which you can use with the Windows API. Here's how you can do it. First, you include the native access header for GLFW, include none, GLF3, GLF3 native. Do I have that? I mean, I don't think that I use native, do I? No, just GLF3. Huh. Then you can get the native window handle from GLFW and use it with the Windows API. Window equals GLF create W window. hwind equals, oh, GLF get win 32 window. Oh, okay. Now you can use hwind with the Windows API to make the window transparent. Set window long hwind gwlx style get window long hwind is style is or layered. Okay. Set layered window attributes hwind times 50%. Okay, cool. This will make the window 50% transparent. You can adjust the transparency change in the second parameter to set layered window attribute. The value should be between 0, completely transparent. I got that. Cool. Please note this is a very basic example, doesn't include any error checking cleanup. Okay, so, and what's the GLF include none? You don't make any mention of it in the comments. Yes, it is important when you want to use a native platform API with GLFW. GLFW has its own definitions for OpenGL functions and types. If you include the GLFW header without define none, it will automatically include the OpenGL header as well. This can cause conflicts if you want to include a different OpenGL header or use a loading library. By defining GLF to include before using the header, you tell it not to include the header automatically as you include your own. Oh, because we're using GLAD. Okay. In the case of your code, is used because you're including GLF neighbor after the price header should only be included after the main GLF macro is defined. Hope this clarifies your question. After the main GLFW header? So here? Well, first of all, let's put that in and see if it breaks anything. Let's just include that, see if it breaks anything. Okay, it does not. That's good. Now, give me the mouse back. I don't know why that does that. So then you can get the native window handle from GLFW and use it with the Windows API. Now you can use hwind with the Windows API to make the window transparent. Okay, so we want both of these. So after we get the window, right? glf window equals glf create window, blah, blah, blah. hwind equals glf get wind. Okay, so then we just need that. So after the create window, glfw make context current window, set frame buffer, all that. Okay, we go here. We don't need that. Okay, so there. Now you can use hwind with the Windows API to make the window transparent. Okay, and then am I not supposed to include windows.h? Alright, well, let's try to compile it and see what happens. Initializing truncation from double to glfw float. Let's just right there. And identifier not found. What about this warning? I just want to get rid of that. Oh, let's just cast it to a float. It works though. Okay, so then the only thing should be, what's this one? Oh, we don't care about that. So glfw get win32 identifier not found. Okay. Bum 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 bum. Bum bum. I thought that was from the glfw native. Is it responding? Are you responding? Computer, are you still playing the game? Alright, let's get more serious here. The error you're seeing is unknown to me and I'm confused. Please try again. Alright, and apparently oh no, seriously? Recompile glfw? That would be crazy if that was the issue. That would be crazy. Alright, let's see if I could possibly log into my, my internet is really slow right now, apparently. Like, super duper slow. Yes, you can set the menu in your project, however, for... Oh. Recompile glfw. Oh, thank you. Chowd Hurry Surav Siddhartha Sujata. CSSS. Pop out chat. Go right there. Lose focus on the window. Alright, so I don't want to recompile glfw, do I? Alright, let's see if it can actually tell me how to do this. Wait, now it's telling me that it's not. Okay. So I'm totally confused now. I thought that you said in order to work with this, GLFW native API flag. So does it not understand that I'm using a precompiled version? Oh, so this, okay, this just plain isn't going to work. That's fine. So, okay. Alright, we're just going to be happy with what we've got for now. Let's try this. Let's see what we got. Oh, no, that's right. I'm trying to do the transparent thing. Oh no, I didn't move it up to the, okay, so let's take everything out. Take everything out. So take that out, take that out. Ba, 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 ba. Not gonna do that. Not gonna do that. Hold on. No. Don't save it. Reload it. Okay. Okay, hold on. Conversation. See if it'll do it. It is create. No, without using that function. Oh, wait, that's a different define. Only available on Windows, that's fine. Okay. Okay. So you didn't say that before. This is different. So GLFW3, define that, and then native. Hold on. GLFW3, define that, and then native. Okay, I don't know what that was. What? Oh, is it working now? Oh. Oh, okay. Well, and it does work. And it's transparent. Cool. Okay, so now when we do stuff like that. Interesting. All right. That's very interesting. So what does it look like without blending? Do we really need blending? Let's see. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. So that looks pretty cool. Not what I was expecting though. What I want it to be is I want that to be as solid as solid. So that changes the whole thing of the window. All right. And we don't need blending. Okay. Oh wait, that's because the frame buffer is also. So let's just see what happens if we take out the frame buffer hint. Transparent frame buffer. What if we color the background to transparent instead? So no, same effect. So we don't need either of those. We just need to create the window as transparent. Okay. Huh. That's bizarre. All right. Wa aba. Hello, this is talking close to the microphone. Okay, that's fun to play with, actually. That is fun to play with. Let's see. So we don't need this. We don't need the other stuff either. The blending stuff. So what was the AI talking about in the other? So we just need this. Okay. All right. So this is exceedingly interesting. Okay, so let's see. I think we answered our own question here. So now, what if we want to respond to the music? Like all the audio coming from Windows. Wait, is there a conversation where it knows what I'm talking about? Was it this conversation? No, it's not that one. This one? No. And it's not that one. Okay, so we don't actually have it. All right. Sound recorder. I'm just wondering, let's see, what in here says this. I don't think I actually have anything. Actually, do we really want to respond to anything else? Let's see what it says anyways. I don't think we do. I don't think we want to respond to anything else. Huh, okay. Or we're just going to go with a microphone for now. Okay, and I guess we're just going to... So let's look at this and see if we can make it a little bit more obvious that... So let's set the maximum, and actually we can just double the size here, 25. So that'll double the size. So there, now when I say something, it's a little bit more obvious. Okay. And then we can put whatever shader we want in there, and that'll be cool. Or we could even use, yeah, okay. I wonder what I'm going to do right now. I don't know. All right, I think I'm going to end stream. I'm going to call that successful. That was really cool. Let's take a screenshot. Not that it really reveals anything, but we'll get set up to do a screenshot here. Select. I don't know. I'm not going to worry about the screenshot. Let's see what we got here. Bum, 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 bum. So who's actually on Twitch right now? Bum, 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 bum. Oh, 2 nerdy nerds. Let's go to those guys. Wait, where's the... Okay.